Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel podcast. I'm your host Badruddin Zakaria, and today we are going to talk about a topic that are essential for all students out there. Staying motivated while studying. It is something we all struggle with from time to time. So I thought it would be great to share some tips and tricks that have helped me stay motivated throughout my academic journey. The first step I want to share is to set clear goals. Having a clear vision of what you want to achieve can greatly enhance your motivation, whether it's assigning an exam, completing a challenging project, or maintaining a specific GPA. Define your goals, give you something concrete to work towards. Once you have set your goals, it's important to break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. This helps prevent overwhelm and allows you to focus on one step at a time. Celebrate your accomplishment along the way, as these small wins can provide a sense of progress and keep you motivated. Another powerful technique is to create a scheduled study. Having a structured plan helps you to stay organized and ensure that you allocate enough time for each subject. Be realistic when you create your schedule, and remember to include breaks to avoid burnout. One thing that often overlooked but crucial for motivation is to create a conducive study environment. Find a quiet space where you can concentrate without distraction. Keep your study area tight and well. Consider adding some personal touch like motivational quote or inspiring visual. When you find yourself struggling to stay motivated, it can be helpful to find a study buddy or join a study group. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share similar goals can provide a supportive and motivating atmosphere. You can discuss difficult concepts, exchange study tips, and encourage each other during the challenging time. Lastly, remember to take care of yourself both physically and mentally. Getting enough sleep, eating well-balanced meal, and engage in regular exercise can significantly impact your energy level. Well, that wraps up today's podcast on how to stay motivated while studying. I hope you have found these tips helpful and they will make you a positive impact in your journey. Remember, motivation is not a consistent state, but something that requires ongoing effort. So keep pushing forward and never give up. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel for more education content. Until the next time, happy study.